bit more. And that'll be it. It's a little bit hard to get those roots.
And maybe go forward a bit. And we'll just...
God, that displacement's awful. Jeez, man, that's actually worse than I thought it was.